Boy, I tell you what. Nothing like a welcome back to YouTube video than when you make a good 20-25 minute video and it just so happens to be one of the few ones that doesn't upload and freezes at 20%. And so take two. Happy days for me and you. Folks, it is your friend CryptoFace. I know it's been a little while. And officially, I won't be streaming and officially be back till February 4th. So we got a little more time. But folks, I just couldn't help it. I couldn't help it. These past few weeks have been difficult. And anyone who's saying anything different is lying. I have to be honest too. I'll be honest. Yes, I've been a busy man. And in the few trades that I have made for the past 2 weeks, they ain't been that great. And yes, I've been busy with the new website relaunch and yada yada, but my point is, right now, the last 2 weeks has not been a time where you can be half-assed and non-attentive. You gotta be attentive, strong, confident, take your profits. It's been tough. But forget the past. Let us talk about the present. Let us talk about the near future. I'm a liking what I'm seeing. Earlier this morning, last night, Whale Crew put out, I longed 32,200 area. And I was expecting it to go down maybe to like the 32,000s. It went down further than I thought it would. And as was tradition, there is always is a few, why are you longing in the downtrend? Why are you longing this? Why would you do that? Why are you doing that? But alas, I'm going to tell you why. I'm going to tell you. Liking what I'm seeing. First off, the hourlies, mid-hourlies. Beautiful little double bottom. Kind of really like almost like a triple bottom. But I'm liking this support on this line right here. It's bing, bing, bing. And beautiful, beautiful trigger waves evened out. Momentum evened out right here from this push down. Now, I got hit by... Let's see if I can... was it on the 6 hour? Ooh! There it was. This one got me. I ignored 9 out of 10 indications that were pointing down, but I was holding on to these two momentum waves because I thought I saw the same pattern before that we traded so successfully, and I banked on this and it didn't work out. I lost. I was wrong. Had two beautiful blood diamonds right there, right in front of me. These momentum waves pointing down. Shame on me for that mistake. Shame on me. But, alas, I'm like what I'm seeing now. I am not betting the farm. And I have two separate longs. One that I am a slicing this pig, and this pig is a squealing. It is zigging and zagging hard as it has been this whole time in the past good few weeks, and it's not going to stop. It's going to be violent up and down. Overall, I believe it's violently going up and down. Up one account, I'm holding the long. The other, I'm slicing in and out. And if you're not doing that, you better stick to your guns and figure out which route you're going to go. Am I holding it, or am I slicing the pig? So for me, I'd rather just do both. It's easier mentally. Anyways, this 12-hour. Earlier today, we had just the red dot there print. It was looking ugly. It was. But we have support now kicking in. Beautiful green dot, not yet confirmed technically, but I'm liking what I'm seeing. Beautiful anchored trigger waves. We are in the red. We are buying in the red. For the first time in probably 2 years, every single day for the past probably about 2 weeks, I have actually been buying Bitcoin. Yes. I have been buying Bitcoin. With all this commotion, all this motion, emotion. And everything else I'm doing in my life, I just haven't had the time, energy, and want to really zone in on these smaller time frames and trade in and out. And I'm cool with letting my crypto grow on its own. So I've just been buying Bitcoin. I'm not opening up Whale Crew anytime soon. I know I'm kind of going all over the place, but haven't made a video in a long time. So back to business. Looking at the 2-day. We are in the red on the VWAP. But it looks like we just might be coming up. And folks, this is big. When we get a daily curvature VWAP that actually does break to the upside, you're talking a major move. You're talking a real ejection. When we enhance to the daily, we see, okay, we have some beginning. It is beginning. Yeah, the VWAP came. It's kind of bouncing off the resistance. This zero line is resistance or support, depending on which side in the time. Right now, it's kind of like resistance. But guess what, though? We have our momentum wave just starting to curve. It ain't confirmed going up on this time frame. We have some fight. We have support. I'm just saying, we have fight. We have a fight, and I'm liking the bulls are holding their ground. We're still throwing punches, but it's holding the ground. I'm liking this bottom. Technically, fundamentally. Money mentally. This 12-hour was really nice today. This red dot was scary for us bulls or those in the long, but ooh, we fought back, and right now it's not bad. Right now it's green, and I'm a like it when I'm a scene. We're oversold on the RSIs. We have 1, 2, 3 tight trigger waves. Little bit of a we got the Cerberus. One of them might have one eye, but it's still got 3 heads. Yeah, it's been choppy, sloppy. The trade I'm in right now is not the size that you guys are used to seeing me trade. It's $1 million on my hold one. About half that on my scalp account. Because again, now's not the time where I want to risk a lot. Why should I? Finally, we're winning. Finally, we don't have to do shit to make money. We've accumulated for this long. Let it grow. Am I on mute? I really hope I'm not. Woo! Thank the Lord. Because I would not want to do this again. But I would. Yep. I'm liking this. So I am long on ETH, long on Bitcoin. And you know what else, folks? We are murdering the stock market. I am having more fun with stocks right now than I have been with crypto. Let me tell you that. F-Cell, baby. Our exclusive CryptoFace community stock long pick that you haven't heard from anyone else. We got in at $7, $8. She's at $21, $22, and she's got more room for me and you. F-Cell murdering it. Just yesterday, we longed. We're getting into war stocks politics. New administration, new jets flying over China, Taiwan, Mao Zedong. It's on. Raytheon, longed. RTX. I believe we're up 5% or 2% today. We just got in yesterday. Long term, I mean, this is, it's wars are coming. The war is coming. Now, there's something I was looking at that kind of scared me. Well, not scared me. I don't want to say scared me, but I believe let me rephrase this. I was looking at the euro to the US dollar just the other week. We're on the weekly. And long story short, this to me, look at it. We've 1, 2, 3, triple bottom. This to me looks like we're going up. The euro is going up against the dollar. So, okay, all right, it's going up to, whatever dollar, if it's going up to this right here. Last time we were at these levels was in 2008. So you know what that means, I believe? Is that if we are going to go to these levels again, in this projection, it's 390 days, basically a year, 6 months to a year and a half, we'll say. I think that's when the shit's going to hit the fan. Now, let me be clear. Stocks are high. Bitcoin, crypto is high, going higher. But when the shit hits the fan, and it's coming soon, in 6 months to a year and a half, things are going to go down again hard. And so will crypto. Now, but Bitcoin is different. Crypto's separate. It's not the same. Maybe before, but not anymore. You want to know why? Well, I'll give you 2 reasons. The first reason is because nothing goes up in a bear market. Everything goes down. And I guess, yeah, you could say if there's one thing that would go up, could go up, would be cryptocurrency. But guess what? Not anymore. Why? You want me to tell you? Well, every time Michael Schwab, the poop deck sailor, JP Morgan, every corporation, every hedge fund, now that they're buying into it, when everything else goes down and it's profit-taking time, they're going to sell the shit out of their Bitcoin. They are not buying this and holding it forever to do nothing with it. They're going to take profits. If anything, it's going to push it down worse. If this is the only thing that they can take profit from, it's going to sell harder and worse, potentially. So we have, in my opinion, 6 months to a year and a half until the shit hits the fan with everything. So here's your answer. You say, CF, so what do I do if everything's going to go down? If the fiat, the dollar's going to go down, crypto's going down, stocks going down, the world's going down, America's going down, Europe going down, China going up. I'll tell you what. I am going to do is to turn what you're making now into rolling profits while you're sleeping. Get what you're earning now to work for you while you're sleeping in 6 months, a year, year and a half. Whether it's real estate, whether it's a business, whether it's Girl Scout cookies. Because even, yes, if all the assets are going down, at least you're going to have it coming in when others won't. You have to generate. You have to turn it into flow, income flow. So that should be your plan. And guess what? It's going to happen. Shit's going to hit the fan. Shit's going to hit the fan really, really hard in 6 months to a year and a half. Bitcoin's going to be right with it. Going to take a big shit. So is all your shit coins. And hopefully you will be taking profits, making profits this whole way, and turning it into cash flow while you sleep. And then, such is life. Then the next cycle, when everything, whatever, we're Chinese and, you set yourself up and buy low and then wait all over again. So, anyways, back to the present. 2 accounts, one long, one I'm chopping the pig, zigzagging in and out. The other one I'm holding for a little longer. And that's pretty much it, guys. So yeah, I'm long right now. I don't have an exact target. I mean, I kind of have some 33, 34s, yeah, short term. It depends on the time frame. Whatever. Not opening whale crew. Probably for a little while. I don't know. Don't ask me. Just busy. So other than that, I'll see you guys, maybe kind of soon. I'll start streaming again February 4th. Wanted to make this video because I believe we're going up in the immediate short term. But we're going to zig and zag. So now ain't the time to be pumping leverage, man. Don't be pumping that leverage. And if you are, boy, you better know your moves and take your profits. So other than that, peace, guys. I miss y'all. Love y'all. Shout out to my whale crew. Shout out to my mods. Shout out to the new Market Cypher people. All the Market Cypher people. The new website's badass. Shout out to my resellers, my YouTubers, everyone. I'm going to be on some other channels coming up here. And hopefully this video uploads. So, it's been real. Time goes by. Can bring a tear to my eye. Make a grown man cry.